Okay guys, this is gonna be a quick KDF channel video. Today I will show you how to clean the EGR valve on the Toyota Prius C 2012 and the following years. So there's a procedure you have to follow, and it will depend on you if you want to remove the whole EGR system or just the valve itself. What I found out in the EGR have outside is that the cooler gets dirty too with carbon, but for a simple procedure you just have to remove this piece right here. So remove the connector, remove this nut from here, remove these two nuts, but you also have to remove the pipe that ends here on the intake. You can see right here you have to remove these two bolts right there, and I'm pretty sure there's another bolt here and another down there because there's a bracket holding the EGR. So basically it's more than you have to figure out because I don't have visibility behind the EGR. Remove this hose right here and you should be good, but I'll show you how to take a look inside the EGR. So this is how the EGR looks when it's outside the car, and if you have a look, like I would say like this, I'm sorry, I'm holding the camera with one hand, so it should look like this on the car. So like I said before, it's up to you if you want to take or remove the whole system, but this is kind of difficult to remove because there's another pipe coming from the exhaust. So if you don't want to make this too complicated, don't remove this one, just remove the EGR. So what happened is over I would say 120,000, I would say maybe 100,000 miles, this gets really dirty. This right here and this right here. What happened is I already cleaned this guy because this is the original that came with the car, but then I had to buy another engine for my car with only 30,000 miles. So I left the same EGR that came with the engine because obviously the newer the better. So what I did is you can remove this hose right here for easier understanding, and you have to pump brake cleaner right here. You have to clean it very good, and this right here also you have to clean. You can also put some brake cleaner on this I would say passage. It's gonna end up here, so everything is gonna be clean. I made a mistake and I'll show you what was my mistake. So I'm not sure yet if I did something wrong, but I removed this that goes right here. And why I did it, because I was trying to open this valve right here. You can see how it opens and closes. Look at this. So it was better for me to clean it the right way, but I don't know if by opening here maybe the resistance or the electronics will be affected. But obviously I did it on this one. I didn't open the newer one, but this is only for educational purposes. If somebody watching this video agrees with me that it's a bad idea to open here, that's not necessary, let me know in the comments. But to be honest, the best way to clean it is to open this and move open the valve, because a lot of carbon also builds up right here and inside. You see how it moves? So I think that's the better way. But if this mess up something with the electronics, maybe the openings, the values, then I would highly recommend not to open this. Remember, this is just an instructional video. By no means I'm telling you to do this. This is just if you want to have an idea on how to do it, go ahead. But I'm not responsible for anything that happens to your car. But thank you for watching the video. I hope I help you with this. If you want to see any other videos on the Prius C, I'm glad to help because I've been doing a lot of stuff on this car. Replace the well, see right here. I'm charging the battery of the Prius C because it was completely dead when I got the car. I replaced a bunch of stuff on the car, so I will be glad to show you how to do it. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot because I want to grow on the viewers. So see you next time. Thank you.